Welcome to our video on understanding the impact of a leaking water heater. A leaking water heater can cause significant damage to your home and can lead to increased utility bills. In this video, we will explore the potential consequences of a leaking water heater and provide you with important information on how to detect and address this issue. One of the first signs of a leaking water heater is the presence of water around the base of the unit. You may also notice moist or discolored spots on the floor or walls near the water heater. Another common indication is a decrease in hot water supply or inconsistent water temperature. Paying attention to these signs can help you detect a leaking water heater early on and take necessary action. A leaking water heater can lead to a range of consequences. One of the most immediate impacts is water damage to your home, which can result in expensive repairs and the growth of mold and mildew. It can also cause structural damage to walls, floors, and other surfaces. Additionally, a leaking water heater can contribute to increased energy consumption, as the heater works harder to compensate for the loss of hot water. There are several potential causes of a leaking water heater. It could be due to a faulty pressure relief valve, a worn-out drain valve, or corrosion of the tank itself. Other factors, such as excessive water pressure or sediment buildup, can also contribute to leaks. Understanding the causes can help you identify the source of the problem and determine the appropriate course of action. If you suspect a leaking water heater, it is crucial to address the issue promptly. Start by turning off the power supply and shutting off the water source to the heater. Next, drain the tank to prevent further damage. Depending on the cause of the leak, you may need to repair or replace certain components. It is recommended to consult a professional plumber to ensure the problem is resolved safely and effectively. To avoid the impact of a leaking water heater, consider taking preventive measures. Regularly inspect your water heater for signs of leaks or damage, and address any issues promptly. Flushing the tank regularly to remove sediment can also help prolong the lifespan of the heater. Additionally, installing a drain pan underneath the unit can help contain any potential leaks and minimize damage. In conclusion, understanding the impact of a leaking water heater is crucial for every homeowner. By being aware of the signs, potential consequences, and preventive measures, you can protect your home from water damage and avoid unnecessary expenses. Remember to act promptly when you suspect a leak and consult a professional for assistance. Thank you for watching.